computer-generated graphics will show you exactly what happened. Alligators hunt prey by submerging themselves near the water's edge. When an animal goes in for a drink, the gator launches a sneak attack, darts out of the water, and grabs its victim. Alligators typically perform the death roll underwater, using their tails like propellers to generate the speed needed to rip prey apart. What's unusual here is the attack is against another gator and on dry land. Out of the water, the gator's tail can't build up as much speed and force when it spins, but it's still effective.
He's probably...
As the rangers are dragging Hot Lips, the lasso slips off her snout. Charlie reaches down to try and keep her powerful jaws shut, but he's too late. She grabs his wrist, spins, and twists Charlie's arm like a pretzel. While the front of a gator's snout has only a few small muscles, the jowl area is packed with webs of thick, powerful muscles. So the further back in its jaws, the more forceful the bite. Before James reaches for the jaws, he first pushes the gator's head down to the bottom of the pool to force its mouth closed. Just when James thinks he's pinned the jaws shut, the gator pops them back open. Unable to see through the water, James accidentally puts his hand into the gator's mouth. Angler taps the gator on the nose. That gets him to open wide. Because their eyes are on top of their head, the gator now can't see what's in his mouth and will only respond to touch. So when the wrangler pulls his hand out, he purposely brushes the gator's bottom teeth. That triggers those massive jaws to slam shut.
You're gonna go in just above the